How do you take the network and give it to everybody on the battlefield, regardless of echelon, sized for their particular location and organization and mission?
I think it first comes with an understanding of the core technology to begin with. General Dynamics is a technology-oriented operation. The advances in mobility, some of the technology for size, weight, and power, we are in a position to adapt those to lighten the load on our dismounted soldiers, to make our platforms, things that move, far more effective, and bring the infrastructure along with you.
If you're talking about the individual soldier, a guy who walks to battle, things become a lot more important in terms of size, weight, and power to that individual soldier.
We as a company, I think, are doing very well in focusing on wearable, portable soldier equipment. Items like that are small and wearable but give them the same battlefield picture that you could get at the top echelon. That's what the soldiers really need, and that's what I think we're providing. Every soldier needs real-time two-way battlefield information.
The soldier is a platform now, so not only is the soldier receiving information, but the soldier is also sending information to let his command levels know where he is, what he's doing. These types of information are key as to the decision-making process of what's going to take place next.
Position location information is critical, so we know where all the assets are standing at in the battle space.
If I'm moving on an objective, I want to do that and have awareness of where the rest of my formation is at any given time.
For that soldier to know that someone knows where he's standing, especially while they're being engaged, is pretty important.
Your job as a senior commander is to put together this very, very complicated mosaic of what's happening on the battlefield. And those little pieces of that mosaic generally come from the lower portions of the formation.
To have a system that is intuitive to the user as far as not only the way the software works, but as far as the way the hardware works is very important.
A lot of what we do is working with the individual soldiers. We really pride ourselves in the fact that we take that feedback and we make our products better, try to introduce the kind of features and simplicity in the products that our customers are really looking for.
General Dynamics, with its understanding and its heritage of being side by side the warfighter, downrange, is in a unique position to be able to apply that soldier-centric design, understanding exactly the kinds of information they need at the worst possible moment, the disadvantaged situations they find themselves in, and how technology can actually try to cut through that fog of war, making them more operationally effective and bringing them home safe.